I'm starting with the seasoning for my burgers alla pizzaiola. And these are gonna be so good. Basically, all of the wonderful things we love about a pizza and the pizza toppings are gonna be in this burger. I'm gonna start with some sun-dried tomatoes. Really sweet and chewy. We need about 5 or 6. We'll throw them right in there. And we're also gonna add garlic. I don't want it too garlicky, but I do want a nice flavor. And I've also got my condiments ready too. I thought it'd be really fun for everybody to kind of top the burger with whatever they wanted. So we'll just use 4 cloves. Nice fresh garlic. We got 3, and we got 4. And I don't even have to chop the garlic. I just have to basically peel it. So there we go. Go ahead and peel all the garlic. Honestly, I don't think you can have a pool party without doing something on the grill. And one more. Awesome. So now I just want to blend these together really quick and just start breaking up the garlic and the sun-dried tomato. Perfect. Smells good. Garlicky, but sweet too. All right, so next we're gonna add some tomato paste. And I like the tomato paste for the same reason that I love the sun-dried tomatoes. It's slightly sweet, but it's in a nice, intense flavor of tomato. About a tablespoon or so. It gives nice body and texture to the burgers. All right, and then about 1/3 cup of fresh basil, sweet fresh basil. We have basil on a pizza, we're gonna put basil in our burgers. I'm just gonna tear the basil up. The food processor is gonna do all the work, and the reason I like doing it in here is just because that way everything is the same size and it kind of melts into the burger as it cooks, which is really good. A little bit of pepper, salt, and just a little pinch of red pepper flakes, just a little bit of kick. Okay, so now let's get some cheese and let's get the meat. So we're gonna start with some mozzarella. So just have some regular mozzarella, which I'm gonna shred myself. So we're just gonna grate about 1/3 cup. It'll melt beautifully within the burger when we grill it. Okay. I've got my mozzarella. Wrap this baby back up and use it later. Let's put it right in here. And we're also gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and only about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. You don't wanna add too much. So you still wanna be able to taste the actual beef burger too. Perfect. And we'll put that right in there. Let's mix this all together. It smells garlicky and tomatoey and cheesy and perfect. So now, I'm just gonna add all of these ingredients in here. What I like to do is make the seasoning for the meat, and I do this with burgers, I do it with meatloaf, meatballs. I like to make the seasoning first separately and then add it to the meat. That way you don't overwork the meat. You just want to mix it all together, just enough to get all the flavors blended into the meat so that every bite of the burger tastes just right.
It may just be the perfect burger, an American classic with an Italian kick.